A very good morning, dear students. I know you are eagerly waiting for this story, and today we have the story titled The Short Blanket. This story is also related to Akbar and Birbal, and you will come to know that how Akbar liked Birbal very much. So, here the story begins. The courtiers of Akbar once gathered together and went to complain to Akbar. Your Majesty, we are sad that you don't think us worthy of your regard in comparison to Birbal. They said in a sad voice. वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि जो अकबर किंग है उसको बोलते हैं, सर आप हमेशा बीरबल को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस देते हैं. Okay, so well, it is true that I consider Birbal as the wisest among you. That's why I regard him highly. Okay, replied the emperor, because Birbal was the wisest among you. So that's why I regard him highly. There is nothing that Birbal can do and we cannot. You should only give us a chance to prove ourselves, said the courtiers. Very well, said the emperor. That very day, Akbar called the courtiers to his private chamber. He was lying on his bed with a blanket covering him. Now the emperor said, I have a problem. I am finding it difficult to cover myself fully with this blanket. Okay, now cover me up in such a manner that neither my feet nor my head remains exposed. Now the courtiers at once started trying to cover up the emperor. अब वो उस ब्लैंकेट से क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, किंग को, एम्परर को कवर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. बट द ब्लैंकेट वॉज शॉर्टर देन द डिजायर्ड लेंथ. When they covered up the feet, the head was exposed, and when they covered up the head, the feet were exposed. At last, they gave up trying. Okay, उन सब ने give up कर दिया. Now, the emperor called a manservant and ordered him to call Birbal. When Birbal came, he posed the same problem to him. बीरबल टू फाउंड दैट द ब्लैंकेट्स वर शॉर्ट फॉर द एम्परर, क्योंकि वो उसके अभी भी छोटा ही था वो तो ब्लैंकेट. ही आस्क्ड द एम्परर टू फोल्ड हिज लेग्स अ बिट. हेयर द इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ बीरबल वर्क्स. ओके, जो बीरबल की इंटेलिजेंस थी तो उन्होंने क्या कहा, ही टू फाउंड दैट द ब्लैंकेट वॉज शॉर्ट फॉर द एम्परर. So he asked the emperor to fold his legs a bit. Now the blanket covered the emperor fully. And now the problem was also solved. After Birbal had gone away, the emperor got up and asked the courtiers, now do you understand why I regard Birbal so highly? Go back and don't complain to me against him in the future. Okay, so moral of the story is you should think all the problems in an effective way. Okay, so that problems will be tackled soon clearly. Okay, so like Birbal, you should use your intelligence and work hard. Thank you.